Hi guys, I'm Asif Bryant, and today I'm going to be bringing you another raw food recipe. But today I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to make dinner. I've been home, I just got home, and I want to just have dinner quickly, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to eat tonight. Okay, so this dish was inspired by a person. I think their handle is Israelis. I hope I'm saying that right, guys. And I just watched this on the short and I was like, this is so easy. I have to bring this to you guys. The only difference between that person's recipe and mine is that I won't be putting sesame seeds in at the end. All right, so let's dive right in really quick. So for this recipe, you need carrots. So right here, I've already spiralized 2.5 carrots. I just left a little bit to spiralize just to show you guys how I spiralized it. The next thing you're gonna need is some garlic. So I crushed my garlic. That was about 4 small cloves. And then I also have marinated some mushrooms. And I marinated the mushrooms with a little soy sauce. So they're still marinating in there. Also, I have green onions. So I'm gonna say that is probably about 1/4 cup, maybe a little more. Cilantro, probably the same thing, about 1/4 cup, maybe a little more. And red onions, probably a little bit over 1/4 cup, okay? So I just want to tell you, when it comes to your vegetables, do as many as you like. Do as little as you like, right? The main thing is flavor it according to your taste buds. So these are kind of like my dry ingredients. I'm going to go in and show you my wet ingredients, which is the soy sauce, some rice vinegar, and some pepper flakes. All right, so let's quickly get this done. I'm going to show you how easy it is to prepare my dinner tonight, guys. Okay, so I'm just going to finish spiralizing this carrot. And it's pretty much there, guys. Pretty much there. All right, so that's done. So normally you would want, I'm going to say 2.5 to 3 carrots. I use 3 tonight. So I have my bowl. I'm going to take my carrots and I'm going to dump them in there. All right, so as you can see, I have about a bowl full. Now I'm going to take my other ingredients. And don't think for 1 minute that I'm going to put it in there neatly. Never, okay? I'm just going to take it and rake it off the plate and just dump it all in there, guys. Just dump it all in there. All right, and so the next thing I'm going to add is my mushrooms, but I kind of do not want to overdo it with the soy sauce. So I'm kind of just going to rake them in there. I don't want the extra soy sauce because I'm going to add it. I'm going to add it all over. And I don't totally want mushroom juice everywhere. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do is add some soy sauce. You guys, flavor this according to your taste buds. I'm going to say for me, maybe between 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon. And with soy sauce, you want to be mindful because it can be kind of salty, okay? I forgot to add, another thing I'm going to be using is sesame oil. And I'm probably going to be using like a teaspoon of this. Maybe more, guys. I really do love sesame oil. So we'll see. I'll taste a little bit, maybe add more. The next thing I'm going to add is a little rice vinegar. And I'm using about maybe 1 tablespoon. And then I'm going to add some red pepper flakes. I just love eating these. It doesn't even matter, guys. It just, when you're eating a raw dish and you're like, oh, I will, you know, it's kind of cold outside. This is how you heat the food up, all right? It's how you heat it up without killing all the nutrients. So then I'm going to mix my bowl. And I'm going to taste this because you could flavor this more according to your taste buds. Keep that in mind. That is good. This is so good, guys. So simple and so good. I might be eating this all week. This is so good. All right. So if you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments. Until next time, you guys have a great taste. You're really going to like this. And the recipe will be in the section below. I'm going to add it in. All right. Bye.